Go on, peeps. So I'm going to be taking the radiator to get modified, as I told you guys before. This part here is lined up with the intake, so I'm gonna have to move it and put it somewhere here where it can sit properly. Yep. So empty space for now. Bentley. All of the goodies like junk for everybody else. Gonna be taking this to the machine shop to get sorted out. Going to the machine shop, so stay tuned. Alright peeps, so we're there at machine shop right now. Waiting on the person. Stepped out for a minute to get this sorted out. Gonna be relocating this to about here, just to clear the intake. And then we'll go back and mock it up, build some brackets and see how best we can get it into the E30. Alright, so we're back again peeps. See it here? We actually relocated this from here to here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little retrofit. Also, big up to Lauderman again. I actually got these drilled for better ventilation, so this is what I'm talking about. Mine uses the vented rotors at the back as well, and the ones I bought with the set is a single rotor, so I'll be selling those. Hit me up if you're interested. These will be going back on in a bit, so let me go ahead and yeah peeps, Covid-30 they are same way. That's it. Gonna be retrofitting this to make sure it fits. So I'm gonna test this. Look what's happening. Alright, so things are looking a bit better.
God Almighty.
Wow. Things are looking a bit better. As you can see, it will be lined up. Let me see if I can get this up here. So the bracket is not yet mounted, but it would sit something like this. Both up here. Yep. So looks good. Looks good. Well, alright in a bit. So yeah peeps, stay tuned for that. I'm gonna measure up and get the silicone hoses for the radiator, and let's see if I can get it started in a bit.
One frozen wasteland later.
They up on the road, you know, with pimping. I pray now, pimping.
Yeah, but OMG.
You see me have smoke a one spliff. So peeps, this is pimping and he's the welder. I'm actually taking him back to the E30 right now to weld on or get the secondary caliper for the hydro on the back welded. So look how that will turn out. So he's a very busy person and he took the time out of his day to, you know, come deal with the COVID bill, isn't it? So appreciate that pimping, is it? So yeah peeps, look how I go on now. We're going to show now how him get busy with the welding. And a torch I use, electrical weld peeps. Yeah man, so we're going to sort out now. Alright, so we're at location now peeps. Mechanic there, welder there. So we're gonna get some work done. There's a pimping will up the whole car, you know.
Yeah.
Well, all the wheel them then can't spin.
Car no have no head. When car steering cut off and the brake cut off, you fi say, whoa!
Want the wheel them spin, cause I want the hotter road.
Hotter road.
Yeah.
Big juice there, peeps, and I don't know. Top mechanic is back. What you doing, Charles?
I'm fixing my car.
Fixing your car?
Yes, because my car don't have any juice for me fixing it, because I'm fixing it now.
Okay. Can I drive in your car when you fix it?
Sure.
Okay.
Tak you have a back as I went again. Yes, 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 oh yes, see back yes.
So yeah, peeps, give you guys a quick walk around. So they are busy on the other side, but basically we are going to get this bracket here welded to right there. And this is the original one, our primary one. This is the secondary one. So this one will be working with the hydro, which I'll be showing you guys in a bit. Yeah, I have a surprise for you guys. I got the hydro. Gonna be mounting the radiator and the fan. There's the radiator, intercooler. We got the piping and also. Gonna be showing you guys that in a bit. Look out. Update. So this is the bracket for the secondary caliper. It's being welded. So yeah, just look out. Update. So we got the box of intercooler piping, hoses, clamps, everything. We got the fuel cell, what they call it, surge tank. Surge tank, peeps, to work with the fuel cell. And you know we have the inline pump already. Got some more goodies. So I got the blow off valve. The theme we're going with purple and black. Got back the spal fan, the flat back now so it can fit. And the hydro, neochrome. Yeah man, so this one came with the reservoir on it. Neochrome, real pretty. Really nice, peeps, really nice. Really nice, so stay tuned for more updates. Update, peeps. So pimping got the secondary caliper bracket on, and we are putting in the extended studs and getting them welded. So just look out, that's the latest right now. Meanwhile, Big Juice up at the engine bay there getting some stuff done, piping, plumbing being sorted out. See if we can get a close up. That's the latest. How we looking? How we looking? Yeah, man. Retrofit. It's coming on real good. Just showing you guys the update progress as we go along. Yeah, man. So this is the update progress as we go along. Showing you guys. Yo, check out all them engineering. What go on so? Mechanic designing one light around here.
Bet that one tell you, man.
Big juice. So peeps update.
Mash up,
This a go on right now. This a go on right now. Update. All the lights. See when turn it. So we do the piping now, please. Yeah, peeps, today I'm with top technician around here, you know. Big Joe's garage. See mechanic there now, peeps. Yeah, Clifton, you're gonna leak. People that don't know me have a special love for eaters of them, you know. So this is a younger version. This is the older version. Alteza. Yeah, babe, so we do it on the garage. Pure bad car in the yard, everything have Jay-Z. Bima got Jay-Z, Alteza got Jay-Z, E30 got Jay-Z, Bems got Jay-Z, Lardawell got 1616. Machine.
I figure out that tool.
Listen.
Which is right?
Which
is right?
At the time I never put on.
Don't lick him.
No, you don't see nothing as that mine's too close.
You don't know about mine, but how are you?
I hear for more on the plate.
One plate?
Yeah.
Well, wash your plate. I have wash it there.
When the plate stop, I hear me a comment.
Hey, so you have to move it, No, you'll tell me to connect it.
Bye.
What you sell it says off? How you feel?
Guess how your five tires shop up this another tire? Yeah.
Come on.
Jackie Chan, guess how your
If you want to record, you know, so just broke you one time. Pass, no pass. If you want to record, me general.